I'm working on our upcoming event at the Home and Patio Show. I Know Jax is sponsoring the cooking demo stage, and we have a lot of cool demos scheduled. Now, I'm working together with Kerry Speckman on this, and I think we're outdoing ourselves this time. We're starting with a packed schedule on Thursday. You can check out I Know Jax for more details about the chefs. Sarah Copeland is returning, as well as Garrett from the Fish Company. On Friday, we start out with Nitrogen Creamery, and of course, Chef Dennis Chan from Blue Bamboo is coming. That's almost tradition. Saturday is a big day with Cafe Nola and the new MLG. Then on Sunday, we're doing something super cool. We're doing a special block with two chefs, Chef Maddie Gilligan and Chef Rosaria Kamada. We're working together with a nonprofit, Waste Not, Want Not, who rescue food for retail and restaurants. They're going to use rescued food and create a gourmet dish from it. I don't even think they'll know the ingredients they're having until the day of. So it's going to be the I Know Jax version of a rescued food challenge with the audience as a judge. Yes, all these demos will have samples, so you need to make sure you show up. Now, if you can't make it to the event, you will still be able to participate by watching and asking questions, because I'm going to be live streaming all the demos on our Facebook page for the whole event. So make sure you join in and ask questions, at least say hello.